Hi everyone and welcome to We Love Art. My name is Denise and today we're gonna recreate the poppy field originally created by Monet. We're gonna start in stage 1, the sky. For the sky, what we need is like a light blue background with the light white clouds softly mixed in. And I'm gonna show you how to do that. We're gonna use mainly a big brush. Maybe every now and then we switch to medium. Let's see how we get on. For now we go for big. So I'm gonna create light blue. So simply mixing blue and white together. And let's test if we're happy with this color. We're just gonna apply the color here. That looks good. Quick and quite thick. And the reason for this is that I want my paint still to be wet. And why is that? Is that the second when I'm gonna do my clouds, it would be good if my blue is still wet because then I can merge them together and give very soft edges on the clouds. I'm gonna show you. So first here, I'm just applying the base of the blue. Now, you have these outlines here as well. As you can see, I rather go over the outline than that I stay away from them. So in this case, I just go slightly over the outlines here, and it's okay. If we lose the outlines, it's okay. We have a rough idea where the shape of the tree will be later. It's okay if we lose a little bit of outlines. They're just there to guide us, but eventually it's gonna be our own unique masterpiece. Claude Monet created the poppy fields in 1873, when Monet returned from the UK back to France and settled in Argenteuil. This time period provided him great fulfillment as a painter, despite the death of his wife Camille, who most likely is depicted in this painting as well. Well done on your masterpiece! I hope you love it as much as I do, and I hope it will get a beautiful spot on your wall, your own version of Monet's poppy field. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you very soon again. Bye!